Good morning, mathematicians. Today we'll be doing lesson 10.3, Properties of Reflections. The objective for today is to guide the discovery of basic properties of reflections. We also have another learning target we're looking at today with some of our work, and that's I can generate a number or shape pattern using a rule, or find the rule, continue the pattern, and explain my thinking. To start out our lesson, we're going to be looking at Math Masters, page 309. You're going to use a transparent mirror to draw the reflected image of the head of the dog. So what you need to do is put that recessed line of the mirror exactly on that line of reflection, and then you will look through, you already have the pre-image here, to find the image, and then you're going to carefully draw that image as best as you can and as accurately as you can in the space on the right. It is best if you're looking through the mirror at eye level before drawing that image. Then, when you are done with that, on the back of this page, I would like you to describe how the two drawings in problem 1 are alike and how they are different. I'm going to send you off with your partner right now to do this task. I would like you each to do your drawing of the image using the transparent mirror, and then I would like you both to talk about question 2 and answer question 2 on the back of your own pages. We'll have 5 minutes to do this, and then everybody needs to come back to the carpet so we can talk more about our lesson today. The image that you drew should look very similar to the image drawn up on the screen here. Now let's talk about that question 2. What are some things you notice that are alike and different about these two images? The drawings are congruent, which means they are the same size and the same shape. They look exactly alike, only the heads are facing in opposite directions because they were reflected over that line of reflection. Now we're going to try some work here on the carpet. I would like everybody to mark a point A anywhere on your pre-image. So I'm going to mark my point A right here on his ear, but you can mark it yours anywhere on your pre-image that you'd like. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look through our transparent mirrors and mark the image of point A and label that A prime, which will look like this, just to show that it is not the same as A, but it is a little bit different but related. Okay, so go ahead and look through your transparent mirrors now and mark that A prime on your image. When I look through my transparent mirror, here is where I found my image that I marked for A prime. Now what we're going to do is we are going to use our ruler to measure the distance from point A to the line of reflection, and then from point A prime to the line of reflection. Go ahead and do that now, and you can mark it on your page. Turn and talk to your partner about what you notice about the distance from both the pre-image to the line of reflection and the image to the line of reflection. Yeah, we found out that the distance from each to the center is the same. So let's think back to our pocket billiards or pool game that we played yesterday. Where did you place the mirror in order to get the ball in the pocket? What did you have to do? That mirror needed to be placed exactly halfway between the ball and the pocket in order for the ball to hit the pocket. When you go off to work on your own in just a few minutes, you still have to do the bottom of the page. You're going to draw a picture on the left-hand side of the line, and your partner is going to do the same. Then you're going to switch, and you're each going to use a transparent mirror to draw the reflected image of the picture. For the rest of your work today, you'll be looking at patterns. As you can see on pages 277A and B, there's different types of patterns. Here we see some picture patterns, but we also have number patterns. And so you're going to decide and either draw or write the next 2 or 3 shapes or numbers in the patterns. But then the important thing is that once you do that, you make sure that you are describing the rule you used to extend the pattern. So each time you should give at least a sentence to describe the rule that you used. Now we can take out our learning journeys. Make sure you have the date written for today for number 10. We need to complete the bottom part of page 309 with our partner. That's what we'll be doing first. I'm not sure why this next part is on there. We did that yesterday, so we can cross that off. Then on your own, after you're done with that partner activity, you're going to work on page 277A and B, which is the pattern activity. Make sure you're done with math boxes. And then when you're done with that, activity B is units 9 and 10 blend space practice L. Activity C is Math Masters 447. And then unit 9 and 10 blend space practice L. Make it a great day.